Zero Pack is a water-soluble package that can remove chemical material in washer.
When we buy clothes, there are lots of plastic waste from the packages. So we wanted to create a package that can reduce the plastic waste and the garbage at the same time. Through the mentoring session, we had time to establish the identity of Zero Pack by sharing feedback and ideas.
The best advice was to think logically and to think about the user experience, so I was able to think when designing the package.
From the perspective of the users, we found that we could apply Zero Pack to many other industries. Previously, we thought that it would be used for the fashion industry only, but through the mentoring session, we expanded to many other areas.
Currently, we have made Zero Pack by ourselves, but the form and finish can be better. So I want to find the factory that can get us to perfection.
As a long-term project, there will be more in-depth results. I hope that this project will be used in the future.